Bismillah. Welcome to fifth lesson of this course, Guide to Joomla. In this course, you will learn what are Joomla templates and having different template style design for different pages on your website. Joomla templates are great way to give a professional up-to-date design to your website. Both the front end and administrator has separate templates. So after you log in to your website from administrator, from the left side, we will go to the system. Now under the templates block, it has site templates, site template styles, and administrator templates, administrator template styles, and mail templates available in under this block. So the first option, when we click on it, it will take us to the administrator front end templates which is being installed on your website. Currently there is one template installed on our website. You can see it has several search toolbars. It is the same like as we saw in the article, menus, modules. So you can have a search, you can have templating orders, you can have pagination, and from this side you can have administrator or site templates to preview. Under the list you will see the column. First column is giving a preview to our installed template. The next column is the name of the template, details, and all the files which are available in this template. Next is the version column. Next is the date on which this template was created. Next is the author of template with the email address, and next is the override files. So when I click on name of the template, and there is another link which is titled preview. When I click on it, it will take me to the front end of a website. So let's first click on it. Okay, a new tab is opened, and I told you previously in my module lesson that I will show you how to view the module location on your website. So when I clicked on the preview, it took me to the front end of the website showing the what are available module position on your website. You can see this is the position name, and it has the styles. We have nothing to do right now with the style, but we have to remember this position. So we can put the modules on this position when we know the name of the position. Okay, come back to the administrator. When I click the name of the template, it will take me to the files available in this template. So there are 4 tabs: editor tab, create overrides. Under the editor tab, these are all the files which this template has. If I want to edit the index file, which is the main file, I will click on it, and it will open the file which include the PHP code. And I will suggest, if you are a developer or know what are you going to do with it, because this is a code, and then work with this, else don't touch it, and don't touch it. It will mess up your website and can crash your website also. So this is the whole website and HTML PHP code. Next is the overrides. When I will show you about the different extension type, these are 4 extension types: module, component, plugin. Override mean to put your custom design which are being installed right now within any extension. So if module, let's say this is a search module, and you want to give your custom style to this module and don't want to touch the code of the module and just want to override CSS, you will select this search module from here, and it will add a folder inside your template folder, and you can then write down your code in those copied folder without touching any core file of this search module. Now next is the template styles. I will switch from here. What are the template style? I want to show there are, let's say there are 3-4 menus on my website. I want to show the different style having the different CSS for each of the pages. Then I will use this styling option. How we can apply a style? I will check. I will first select this style, this template. Then this action is enabled. I will duplicate this style, and it has copied this template style. I will edit it, and then I can write down the name whatever I need it, sub page. And if your templates have parameters, it depends on the templates. They can have multiple parameters. Like this template has under the advanced, it has different logo. And titles, I will change the title and will show you where it has been changed. I change the title from Urdu to English. Now this has been updated. I will then go to the menu segment, and I will select for which menu I want to show that English title. For let's say English page for main menu, and for the main menu home page, and for Arabic main menu home page. Now this style will be applied with this parameter that I just used on these pages. I will save it. Be sure if you have enabled the cache, you have to clear the cache. I am deleting it. Now I will go to the front end and will refresh the page. Yes. Now you can see I have changed the title for the home page. It has changed from Urdu to English. When I will navigate to any other menu, I will see the main default style with the old Urdu title. And then last thing in the templating system is which is being introduced in the Joomla 4 is the mail templates. The mail templates are used to adjust the layout of various system email messages. So when we register a user, system will send a mail to user as well as to the admin. You see the first column is the title of the mail. The next column is the extension. The extension user will be used when a new user is being registered. Okay, these are the mails when new account with the self activation. These are the options available in your administrator setting. If you want user to self activate them, or let the admin to activate them. If we select the admin to activate them, a notification to admin will go. And if we select for self activation, a notification to both admin and user will go. User will get a link in his mail. Let me edit it. Here it is the templating style. If you are familiar with the templating, you will know these curly braces means a specific meaning in the templating. And hello, the name of the user. Thank you registering at your site name. Here it is. It will send an activation link When a user will click on it, it will then your system will then activate that user, else it will not activate, or admin can activate your user also. So you can change the English or wording from here, and you don't need to change this. Just when I click on it from the right side, these are called tags, and I can use this tags under insert tag. When I click on the name, it will automatically insert this tag. You don't need to change it. These are the capital in the capital letter. I hope you can understand it. So that was today's lesson, in which I told you the templating system provided by the Joomla for the front end and for the back end, and how you can edit the file of the templates, and how you can apply the different styles design for your different pages, and what are the mail templating and how you can edit it. See you in the next lesson. So stay connected until next lesson comes.